Hi folks, Florence Grace Maloney Prendergast here, Facebook True Understanding Matters. Today is Friday the 12th of June 2020. It has been said we humans don't have a knowledge issue in this information overload age, but more that of an application one. So I've condensed 5 writings, I've made assumptions. You know what they say, someone could be seen as an asset, but to assume makes an ass of you and me. God didn't make no asses, and he didn't die for no asses. He died for us human beings who were created in his image. So this is a synopsis of the 5 write-ups. Introduction, that was it. A possible health and diet plan reflects the principle that genes loads the gun, but lifestyle pulls the trigger, and it deals with issues on obesity, diabetes, cancer, heart disease, so forth. The next one is, I've missed one. Health and wellness, and it deals with attitude of change, and that is at the heart of anything. If you want to do something, it's the choice. You make the choice of change, and that's the starter, that's the propeller for everything else. Okay, thank you for sticking with me. I skipped on health and wellness, done that. Then justified by faith. There's nothing, not a single thing you've done in the past, what you're doing or will do, will stop God's love for you. And to prepare a people, next one, justified by faith, yeah, that one. Then to prepare a people deals with the very soon coming of Christ. You just need to look around in the world. And in conclusion, redemption, which more or less deals with the fact that the value of a thing is determined by the price someone's willing to pay for it. And if God, who created the world, and his son, Jesus, came and died for us, it means our value is equal to that of the universe and beyond. I pray you're blessed by this. I hope it helps you connect the dots. And thank you for looking. Take care. Bye for now.